you to kindly rise and put your hands together to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Giova Lobo, and the dignitaries along with our beloved principal.
In ways we cannot see, He will make a way for me. He will be my guide, hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way. He will make a way. In ways we cannot see, He will make a way for me. He will be my guide, hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way. He will make a way.
It's now time we welcome our esteemed guests. May I now request our principal, Mrs. Vinaya D'Souza, to welcome the gathering.
A beautiful morning to you, respected chief guest, Dr. Giova Lobo, President of SES Group of Institutions, Dr. Rajneesh Sorake, heads of our various institutions, dignitaries, guests, ladies and gentlemen. I quote, "One of the luckiest things that can ever happen to you in life is, I think, to have a happy childhood," unquote. Agatha Christie, one of the most famous novelists and playwright of all times, and I'm sure all of us would agree with her. It fills me with joy to welcome all of you to this beautiful celebration. Today, we are going to embark on a wonderful journey where we'll explore the beauty and importance of some of nature's elements. We'll also discover how these elements are closely connected to our own lives, showing us how they help shape the world around us. This celebration is all about the elements of nature and the beauty and existence of life. Standing here today, I feel so grateful and full of joy as I reflect on the blessings that have come our way. It's truly thanks to the Almighty's guidance that we are here and that our institution thrives and grows. We are so fortunate to be able to gather and celebrate such a meaningful occasion together. I extend a gracious welcome to the chief guest of the day, Dr. Giova Lobo, Professor and Head of the Department of Neurosurgery, Father Muller's Medical College, Mangalore. A person of great stature and no doubt a busy schedule, Dr. Lobo has graciously consented to be with us here today, sharing in this moment of joy and excitement. His radiant smile and warm presence bring a sense of calm and positivity to all who encounter him. And today, we are fortunate to bask in that warmth. A warm welcome to you, sir. I now request the President of SES Group of Institutions, Dr. Rajneesh Sorake, to welcome Doctor on our behalf. I wish to take a moment to honor and remember someone who played an important role in the creation of all the institutions under the KACT banner, the late S. Chandrasekhar, whose vision and wisdom helped lay the foundation for everything we enjoy today. His work continues to inspire us, and we are deeply grateful for the path he helped set for us all. In addition, I would like to acknowledge the support and guidance we receive from Dr. Amarnath Sorake, the founder-president of SCS Group of Institutions. His incredible foresight and leadership helped shape the success of this institution. It takes a vision, dedication, hard work, and leadership for a dream to become a reality. A warm welcome to the President of SCS Group of Institutions, Dr. Rajneesh Sorake. Sir, it is the motivation, support, and guidance that you extend that helps us achieve greater heights. A warm welcome to you, sir. I request Shravya of Monterey to welcome sir on behalf of all of us present here today. A warm welcome to Dr. Abhinay Sorake, the Secretary of SCS Group of Institutions, and Mr. UK Khalid, the Administrative Officer of SCS Group of Institutions in their absence here. A cordial welcome to the heads of our various institutions present here today. I request Shlagya Reyansh to welcome them on our behalf. Dr. Ravi Rao, Principal, Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College. Dr. Ajit Kamath, Medical Officer, Karnataka Ayurveda Medical College. Mrs. Helen Lobo, Principal, SCS Riverside Academy. Professor Rajaram, Principal, SCS Pew College. And Dr. Kabinale Balakrishna Bharadwaj, Principal, SCS First Grade College. I also welcome all the staff of the various institutions under the SCS banner. A warm welcome to you all. I would extend a warm and hearty welcome to our esteemed dignitaries, special guests, friends, and all those who have joined us here today. Your presence here truly makes this occasion even more meaningful and significant. A cordial welcome to the media personnel present here, especially the V4 channel for their constant support in streaming all our events. Dear parents, we are aware of the emotions you go through every morning as you drop our child to our care. We thank you for the trust you place in us and the support you lend us throughout your toddler's journey with us. Today, we celebrate each one of you. I request you to encourage your little ones as they perform on stage no matter what, since they have dared to go up there when we shiver to do so. Please clap for them. Make some noise, because your encouragement means the world to them. My dear coordinators, Vanita, Preeti, and Charishma, and my members of staff, I am aware that I push you really hard, but you always deliver. Or it's better put this way, I dare to push you this hard because you possess the potential to deliver. Hats off to all of you. Thank you for being an amazing team, and welcome to this wonderful celebration. No matter what happens today, we know that you have given it your best. Thank you. A loving welcome to the stars of our lives, our children, who never fail to brighten our days with their warm hugs, smiles, and imagination. Today is so special for all of us at SCS as we unveil our new mascot, Sunny. Sunny will be every child's new friend at school, guiding them through their daily activities and making learning fun. A mascot like Sunny helps create a welcoming, positive atmosphere and encourages kids to feel connected and excited about their school experience. We are thrilled to have Sunny as a part of our preschool journey and family. On this auspicious day, when we are surrounded by the feelings of positivity and pride, I once again extend a cordial welcome to all of you gathered here. Thank you.
Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sun expels darkness of night, similarly, blessings bring in our life prosperity and happiness. May I now request our principal to escort the dignitaries to the dais to light the lamp and unveil the school mascot.
अग्निमङ्गलं वायुमङ्गलं गगनमङ्गलं सूर्यमङ्गलं चन्द्रमङ्गलं जीवमङ्गलं जगतमङ्गलं देहमङ्गलं मनोमङ्गलं आत्ममङ्गलं सर्वमङ्गलम्.
One of our students who has won laurels in national level karate competitions. May I now request our chief guest and our president to do the honors. Master Laksh Kumar of Mont 2. He has secured first place in Kamata and Kumite events at the Udupi Open Karate Championship held in November 2024. Secured first place in Kata and Kumite events in the 7th National Level Open Invitational Tulunadu Karate Championship held on 18th of January 2025 at Udupi. May I request Mrs. and Mr. Sachin to bring their son on the stage.
Good morning everyone. Without any further delay, I now request Ms. Swarnalata to give us an introduction to the Big Bang Theory.
Good morning one and all gathered here. The Big Bang Theory. This startling idea first appeared in scientific form in 1931. In a paper by Georges Lemaitre, a Belgian cosmologist, the concept of an expanding universe was scientifically originated by physicist Alexander Friedmann in 1922 with the mathematical derivation of the Friedmann equations. According to the Big Bang Theory, the expansion of the observable universe began with the explosion of a single particle at a definite point in time. So, now we have our students presenting it before you the Big Bang concept in their own little way.
Thank you, ma'am. We now present students of Mont 1, Urva, performing the Big Bang dance followed by the toddlers of SES preschools showcasing the moon, star, sun and planets. Let's welcome them on stage with a huge round of applause.
Well, according to some scientists, a tiny ball is smaller than a marble, filled with super hot, sparkly stuff, popped and caused a really big ball explosion. And everything in our whole universe, like stars, planets, and even you, came from that big explosion called the Big Bang. So, the Big Bang is like the very first birthday of our universe.
Giving you some niceness.
My name is Gahana Yambi. Our universe also consists of the sun, the moon, and the stars. The sun is a star at the center of our solar system. It provides heat and light to Earth. Stars are massive balls of gas made up of mostly hydrogen and helium with some other elements. Stars produce light and heat through nuclear reactions in their course. The nearest star to the Earth is Sun. Now we have toddlers from playgroup performing a dance showcasing the beauty of the sun, the moon and the stars. Put your hands together for them. My name is Rachel. The moon is a round object that we can see in the sky at night. It changes its shape as days pass by. Sometimes it's big and bright, and other times it's small and barely visible. It doesn't produce its own light, it shines because it reflects the light of the sun. It is a beautiful part of our night sky.
song. Then you shine your little light. Twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निदिया और निदिया में मीठा सा सपना और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई ये तो आशा की लहर है ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है खुशियों की महर है खो न जाए तारे ज़मीन
Good morning. A warm welcome to all. It's a pleasure to have you here today. We are excited to embark on the journey together and share this special moment. I'm Trisha Suwana from Mount One. Today I'm here to speak about our solar system. In our solar system consists of 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. A planet is a large celestial body that revolves around the sun in fixed orbits. Planets do not twinkle like stars because they are much closer to us.
Sing along and have some fun. My name is Mercury. I'm the second hottest planet, the closest one to the sun. A year on my surface is 88 days. I'm the smallest but lots of fun. My name is Venus. Not the hottest planet, but the second planet from the sun. I'm the brightest planet in our solar system, and I'm too hot for anyone. My name is Earth. I'm the planet is Mars. I am red in color and the fourth planet from the sun. I have the highest mountain in our solar system, a volcano named Olympus Mons. My name is Jupiter. I am covered in clouds and I'm the fifth planet from the sun. My giant red spot is a raging storm. As for size, I'm the biggest one. My name is Saturn. I am brown in color. I'm the sixth planet from the sun. My outer rings are extremely thin. They're made of dust and icy chunks. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and we revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name's Uranus. I am blue in color. I'm the 7th planet from the sun. I orbit the sun once in 84 Earth years and was discovered in 1781. My name is Neptune, also blue in color. I'm the 8th planet from the sun. I'm the last gas giant in our solar system, and I'm also the coldest one. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and we revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun.
That was indeed a lovely performance. Thank you, dear students. Presenting here, toddlers of SES Preschools with their class teachers, Miss Sharwani and Miss Shashish Prabha. And also presenting here, Mont 1 students of SES Preschool Urva with their class teacher, Miss Lata. Thank you, dear students. Now, I would like to call upon Miss Venita to introduce our chief guest.
We are fortunate to have with us today Dr. Giova Lobo, who is the head of the department and professor of neurosurgery at the prestigious Father Muller's Medical College. He graduated with an MBBS and MS degree from the Rajiv Gandhi University of Medical Sciences. He went on to pursue his higher studies in neurosurgery and secured a MCH degree from Kastuba Medical College, Manipal. He has served in his present position since 12 years. He loves traveling, teaching the younger generation, and enjoying good movies. He is married to Dr. Sarita, who is an ophthalmologist, and they have 2 children. May I request our chief guest to address the gathering.
Good morning to one and all. The program till now has been amazing. Anyway, before I start, I'd like to give my salutations to the founder president, Dr. Amarnath Sorake, respected president of SES Group of Institutions, Dr. Rajneesh Sorake, secretary, Dr. Abhinay Sorake, administrative officer, Mr. UK Khalid, principal, Mrs. Vinaya D'Souza, all the other dignitaries sharing the stage with me, parents, teachers and staff, and the stars of today, my dear students. At the outset, I'd like to thank the management of SES Preschool for having invited me as a chief guest to this beautiful event today. It's very heartening to see how the SES group has grown from humble beginnings to the present day institutions of repute and of high standards. I must mention, after seeing the performances now, that the school is nurturing bright minds and great talents in these tiny tots. And I must appreciate the efforts put in by the teachers and the parents together. This is the right moment for me to compliment all the parents for choosing the SES school, which has a lot of opportunities, great infrastructure, wonderful teachers and staff, and a management who thinks of a bright future through the path of education, which is evident by their punchword. I wouldn't want to take a long time, but it would not be justice if I don't share my little experiences with you all today. Dear children, I know you're very little, but it's good for you to listen to your mama and dada. Eat well, reduce screen time, be active in academics and sports alike, and I assure you, with this, you will definitely walk the path to success and reaching greater heights. Dear parents, being a parent myself, small snippets. Be supportive and guide your children. They look up to us parents, and that is a rule we all know. Let your home be a safe place for your children where they can feel free to share their feelings and experiences. Remember, the process of bringing out great individuals is more important than the results. As you know, every child is unique and special, having special talents. But as parents, it is our duty to inculcate discipline and values, which starts from this tiny age like we have seen today. The three factors that help in the overall development of a human being are good nutrition, discipline and physical activity, and very importantly, good sleep. I'd like to stress on sleep today because in today's busy world, sleep has got least importance. As per research by many groups across the world, infants have to have 12 to 17 hours of sleep a day, while preschoolers like what we have today need about 10 to 13 hours of good sleep, and school-age children require at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep. Having healthy sleep habits has shown to reduce behavioral problems, irritability, and hyperactivity. And it has improved school performances, attentiveness, and reduced daytime sleepiness. Dear friends, I know it's February of 2025, but it is never too late to make resolutions for this year. So I urge all of you to make a resolution today for this year to promote good sleep habits in our children so that they grow up to be healthy and strong individuals. As I conclude, I would like to applaud the management, the principal, teachers and staff for having adapted to the changing trends in education, which I have learned today is adapted out here, and to new ideas. These resulting in taking this institution to becoming an illustrious institution and to greater heights. We have seen all the above being manifested in the great performances by our children and are eagerly waiting to see more. And as we look back, I hope we fondly remember this day in our lives and the times to cherish. Thanking one and all, have a pleasant day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Now, I would like to call upon Ms. Charishma to give us an introduction to the theme, The Elements.
A warm morning to all of you gathered here to witness the splendid performance by our students through which they will unfold the importance of some of the elements of nature. Every element is made up of its own type of atom. Everything in the universe contains the atoms of at least one or more elements. Either air, fire, water, earth, these 5 elements are necessary for every living creature. The imbalance of any of these elements cause disease in our body. Our body cannot be maintained merely by intake of food. The cosmic body is the grand total of material bodies. An imbalance with the natural elements can lead to disruption in the functioning of the universe. Now, ladies and gentlemen, unfolding before you the elements of nature in spectacular performance that will keep you spellbound. Sit back and enjoy. Presenting before you the theme Water by the students of Pikanakatte, Mont 1.
from the host that is pure and clean. I am a lake. I get water from rivers, rain, and aquifers. I am a pond. I get water from rain, recharge the groundwater.
से पुकारे, वो पहुँचे गंगा किनारे। न कर मैली तो गंगा, तन धोए मन तो गंदा। पलट के फिर नानी, बोली बात और बहता पानी। न कर मैली तो गंगा, तन धोए मन तो गंदा। मन पावन हो गंगा में डूबे नहाए, मन रावण जो लहरों में तूने बहाए। जो चला गया वो लौट के फिर ना आए, तेरा कर्म ही है जो संग तेरे ही जाए। मन पावन हो गंगा में डूबे नहाए, मन रावण जो लहरों में तूने बहाए। हर हर गंगे, हर हर गंगे, हर हर गंगे, गंगे हर हर गंगे, हर हर गंगे, गंगे हर हर गंगे, हर हर
Thank you, dear students. It was a wonderful performance. Presenting here, Mont 1 students of Bikarnakatta with their class teacher, Miss Manjula and Miss Prasilla. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Rajni Sorake, the President of SES Group of Institutions, to oblige us with a few words of encouragement.
Good morning, one and all. Chief guest, Professor Dr. Giova Lobo, dear parents, esteemed teachers, distinguished guests, and most importantly, our young stars. I am honored to stand before you today to celebrate the annual day of our pre-primary school. Today we gather to acknowledge the remarkable growth and achievements of our little ones. As we celebrate this milestone, I would like to emphasize the significance of early education in shaping the foundation of our children's future. The pre-primary years are crucial in laying the groundwork for lifelong learning, socialization, and emotional development. Our school's mission is to provide a nurturing environment that fosters independence, confidence, and creativity in our children. We believe that every child is unique and deserves to be encouraged and supported in their individual journey. Throughout the year, our dedicated teachers have worked tirelessly to create engaging and interactive learning experiences that cater to the diverse needs and interests of our students. From arts and crafts to music and movement, our curriculum is designed to stimulate curiosity, imagination, and exploration. As parents, you have entrusted us with the precious responsibility of shaping the minds and hearts of your children. We are committed to upholding this trust and providing a safe, inclusive, and stimulating environment that allows our children to strive. To our young stars, I would like to say that you have taken your first step in education and have learned the basics that will serve as a strong foundation for your future learning. You have discovered the joy of learning, made new friends, and created wonderful memories. As you move forward, remember to enjoy the journey of education, explore new things, and always be curious. The building blocks you have learned here will serve you well, and we are excited to see the amazing things you will achieve. To our parents, I would like to say that we are proud to have you as part of our school community. As we say at our school, the future is bright. We believe that our students have the potential to shine and make a positive impact in the world. As you consider the next step in your child's educational journey, we invite you to continue partnering with us. We are excited to offer a seamless transition to our first standard program, where our experienced teachers will continue to nurture and guide your child's growth. We are confident that our school will provide your child with a solid foundation for future success. To our parents, teachers and staff. I extend my sincerest gratitude for your tireless efforts and unwavering support. Together, we have created a vibrant community that values the uniqueness and potential of every child. Before we proceed to the cultural program, I would like to leave you with a quote from Maria Montessori. The greatest sign of success for a teacher is to be able to say, "The children are now working as if I did not exist." May our children continue to grow, flourish with independence, confidence, and creativity. Congratulations to all our students, teachers, and staff on this special day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. Earth, our own planet, is a world unlike any other. It's the third planet from the Sun. Earth is the only place in the known universe confirmed to host life. Presenting before you the theme Earth by the students of Mon 2 Bikarnakatte.
ಕಷ್ಟನೋ ಸುಖನೋ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಕೇಳದೆ ನೇಗಿನನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತ ದೊರೆಯೇ ಧನಿಕನು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಮ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ಕಾಯಕವೇ ಕೈಲಾಸ ನಿನಗೆ ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವೆ ಅದೇ ಮರಿಗೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಡಲಿ ರೈತ ಕಲಿಯುಗ ಕಾಮಧೇನು ರೈತ ನಿನ್ನೆ ವಂದನೆ ರೈತ ಕೈಯಾಗಿವೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ
change.
Students of Mont 2, Bikarnakatta, accompanied by their class teacher, Miss Shushma and Miss Vinuta. Fire is widely considered a symbol of transformation, purification, passion, divine energy, and enlightenment. It represents the ability to consume old patterns and bring forth new beginnings. Often associated with the power to both destroy, create, depending on the context across various cultures and religions. Now, we have our students of Bikarnakatte, Mont 3, presenting before you the fire dance.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Taujan. I'm Tasmai. I am Rayanj. Our universe is formed by the 5 elements. Each element contains its own unique properties. Each have both positive and negative qualities. Fire. Fire is the third element of nature. The element fire is also called Tejas in Sanskrit. It is very important for human beings. However, it can also be destructive if we are not careful or if we tamper with nature. So, let's be careful and protect our environment before we get destroyed by the fumes of fire. We now have the students of Mont 3. We will be presenting before you both the positive and negative qualities of fire through a dance. Sit back and enjoy.
लेके आ तलवार लेके आ हजार लेके आ हजार लेके आजा आजा
Students of Mont 3 Bikanakatte, accompanied by class teacher Miss Jayalakshmi and Miss Ashnita. Now we have our students of Urva, Mont 3, presenting the beauty of metals, gold and silver.
A pleasant morning to all present. Dear, I am Shravya. I am Ishani. Studying in Mont 3. A warm welcome to the world of luxury, rarity and beauty. Precious metals. Gold is an elemental nature. It is a precious metal that shines bright. We use it to make beautiful jewelries, coins and even decorations. However, gold is not just valuable, it's also very useful. We use it in medicine too. Swarna Prashana is a gold-based tonic used to boost immunity, memory and cognitive function in children. In Ayurveda, gold is known as Swarna and Prashana means to conjure. Gold is also used for coating spacecraft and satellite components to reflect radiation. Silver, the versatile and affordable, valuable luxury metal. Jewelry and coins are made from silver. But did you know that silver also very good at keeping us healthy? It's true, silver has special power that help keeping germs away. We now have a dazzling dance performance by the students of Mont 3 that will leave you mesmerized. Put your hands together for our glittery, shiny Egyptian dance performance. Thank you.
Students of Mont 3, Urva, accompanied by their class teacher, Miss Rupika.
We acknowledge the presence of Miss Roslyn, Vice President of V4 Channel. I request Miss Preeti to welcome ma'am on our behalf.
The element air moves all other elements. It is a catalyst for change and transformation. Like the spirit, we can use our awareness of air and breath to change our minds and change our consciousness. We can slow down and consciously connect to our essence with awareness of breath. Now, we have our students from Urva projecting the importance of clear air.
Good morning, everyone. I am Rayan Cheetal Raina from Mont 2. It's wonderful to see you eagerly waiting to have a glimpse of our performance. I am here to speak some few words about air. Air is a mixture of gases that surround the earth. Air is invisible, odorless, colorless and tasteless. Humans and other animals take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide through a process called respiration. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Air contains water vapor, dust, pollen and bacteria. And now I invite my friends to enlighten you about the importance of fresh air through their performance. Thank you.
मैं कण कण में व्याप्त हर एक जीवन के श्वास में मैं ही तो हूँ। आप मुझे देख नहीं सकते, मैं अदृश्य हूँ, पर आप मुझे महसूस जरूर कर सकते हैं। तेज धूप से जब धरती जलती है, परिश्रम पसीना बनकर निकलती है। जीवन का सबसे सुखद आनंद होता है जब धीरे धीरे मेरा यानी वायु का आगमन होता है।
सौभाग्यशाली है इस ग्रह के निवासी जिन्हें शुद्ध वायु प्रचुर मात्रा में उपलब्ध है।
और जरा इन्हें देखिए, पृथ्वी के निवासियों को ऑक्सीजन मास्क लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है
और ना ही इन्हें ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर खत्म होने का डर सताता है।
Pollution refers to the presence of harmful substance in the atmosphere which can negatively impact human health, other living organisms and environment as a whole. It can take various forms including chemical, physical and biological pollutants. Air pollution has both short-term and long-term effects on human health, affecting various bodily systems and organs, with the respiratory system being the most significantly impacted. Children and infants in particular are being the most vulnerable groups to the harmful effects of air pollution. Now let us welcome Risha, Alangrita and Dianj for sharing their thought on this important issue. Thank you.
Rayansh,
will you come out to play today? No, Risha, it's not possible. Today it's my brother's turn to go out and play. He will be taking the oxygen kit with him. Oh, it's so sad. What's the matter, Risha? Why do you seem so sad? Mom, please listen. I don't want toys or gift on my birthday this year. Please buy me few more oxygen kit so I can share with my friends. Then we can all go out and play.
चल हवा आने दे।
Students of Montu Urva, accompanied by their class teacher, Ms. Shailaja. Now I call upon Ms. Preeti to propose the vote of thanks.
Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. A warm and graceful morning to all. On behalf of the principal, staff and students of SES Preschools, I am pleased to be standing here to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First of all, I extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty for the blessings He has bestowed upon our institution and all of us. I thank our chief guest, Dr. Giovanni Lobo, Professor, Department of Neurosurgery, Father Muller's Medical College, Mangalore. Sir, we are honored to have you here today and we are truly grateful to you for your gracious presence. We thank Dr. Amarnath Sorake, our founder president of SES Group of Institutions, in his absentia. I take this opportunity to thank Dr. Rajni Sorake, President SES Group of Institutions, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and for standing as a strong pillar of strength. Thank you, sir. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Abhinay Sorake, Secretary, SES Group of Institutions, and our Administrative Officer, Mr. UK Khalid, SES Group of Institutions, for their constant support and guidance. We have been fortunate to be assisted by our Principal, Mrs. Vinaya D'Souza. Thank you, ma'am, for constantly encouraging us to give it our best through your insightful guidance and support. Thank you, ma'am. I extend my gratitude to all the heads of our institution for their constant support and presence here today. We thank all the media personnel who are present here today, especially V4 channel for streaming our program. We are grateful to all the staff of the various institutions under the SES banner for being present here today. Our sincere gratitude to you, dear parents and well-wishers, for your unwavering support and encouragement. Children cannot achieve excellence without your help. Thank you so much for taking the time to come to this event. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank our loving teachers and our support staffs for their untiring efforts in making this event a success. Thank you all. A big thank you to our IT professional Sudarshan, Admin in charge Grishma, Sorake Builders Manager Jhansi, Maintenance Officer Rajappa, and all who have worked behind the scene to make this program a huge success. Finally, I would like to convey my gratitude to our aspiring rock stars for their outstanding performances that made this event a success. Last but not the least, a heartfelt thank you to each of you for making this year's annual day celebration so special for all of us. Thank you and have a wonderful weekend.